A stakeholder is an individual or group that has an interest or concern in something, especially a business. Stakeholders can affect or be affected by the actions of this business. There are several types of stakeholders, including stakeholders, customers, employees, suppliers, financiers, government, and the community members. Each type of stakeholder has its own interests and concerns, and it is important for a business to consider the needs and expectations of all its stakeholders. Stakeholders or owners are interested in the financial performance of a business and want to see a return on their investment. Customers are concerned with the quality and value of the products or services that a business provides. Employees want a safe and fair work environment as well as opportunities for advancement and development. Suppliers want to be paid on time and have a good working relationship with that business. Financiers such as banks and investors want to see a return on their investment and want the business to be financially stable. Government agencies may have regulations and standards that a business must adhere to, and the community in which a business operates may have concerns about its impact on the environment and local residents. It is important for a business to balance the interest of all its stakeholders and make decisions that are in the best interest of the business as a whole. This can sometimes be challenging, as the needs and expectations of different stakeholders may conflict with one another. For example, a business may have to choose between maximizing profits for stakeholders and investing in employee training and development. Stakeholders are individuals or groups that have an interest or concern in a business. A business must consider the needs and expectations of all its stakeholders in order to be successful, viable, and maintain a positive reputation. PMP defines stakeholders as anyone who can be positively or negatively influenced by the project. Effects may be small or big. Let's give some examples. All team members, including the project manager, are stakeholders. The customer is a stakeholder. To functional managers are also stakeholders. The project sponsor is a stakeholder. Subcontractors are stakeholders. As you see, anyone who affects the project or who is affected by the project is a stakeholder. See you in the next lecture.